Hey everyone, Jessica here. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a super simple way to change the language in the YouTube app. Whether you're fluent in multiple languages or just curious to explore content in another one, this guide has got you covered. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you've got the YouTube app installed and ready to go. Open the app, and in the bottom right corner, you'll see your profile picture. Tap it to open up your account menu. At the top right corner of the screen, you'll notice a little gear icon. That's your settings button. Go ahead and tap it. This will take you to a list of options to customize your app. Under the settings menu, find the section labeled General. Here, you'll see all kinds of options related to the app's functionality, including language settings. Tap on Language, and you'll be presented with a list of available languages. Scroll through the list until you find the language you want. Once you've made your choice, tap on it to select it. The app might ask you to confirm the change, and in some cases, you may need to restart the app for the changes to take effect. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language in your YouTube app. Now you can enjoy content in your preferred language anytime. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions about YouTube or other apps. Oh, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you here.